और ऑल्सो NSD वगैरह के जो सारे एक्टर्स थे, they also looked down on films, yes, but once they got onto those big league films, they
then
also
they
didn't
never
get-
looked back. They didn't look
you know,
back.
कभी
yeah.
कभी एक आध प्ले कर लिया, whether it was Nasiruddin Shah
Nasir Bhai
or
continued, yeah.
continued with
and
that.
a few other actors, very
Yeah.
few actors.
Very
हाँ.
few. The others all जो भी NSD के थे या फिर जो मंडी हाउस में करते थे, very few would come back to act in theatre. They
yeah.
would move on, but it's understandable.
Yeah, it's very understandable because let's face it, theatre, especially Hindi theatre, it's very difficult to earn your livelihood. So you need something else. जो theatre वैसे भी कर रहे थे, even Amrish Puri was doing theatre, but he used to work in a, I think, bank or somewhere. So because theatre cannot, Hindi theatre to nahi, of course with Marathi, Gujarati theatre, because they have got so many shows and they have a audience, you know, who goes and watches Marathi theatre, Gujarati theatre, not our Hindi theatre. वो तो हम पे एहसान करते हैं, especially in the north.
पैसे देके तो कोई नहीं आता.
कोई नहीं आता. They want invitations and simple invitation is not enough. You have to call them up. You received the invitation, please do come, and then they expect to be treated like royalty कि सामने वाली सीट होनी चाहिए.
और उस टाइम सेल फोन भी उठाएंगे.
हाँ हाँ. Oh God, it's so frustrating. Even just now, I mean, where I was performing in Allahabad, you know, we were doing. Now currently, I'm doing 2 plays. One play with Rajendra Gupta ji, which is based on a Russian play, Arbuzov's play, and it is called Jeena isi ka naam hai. Despite the announcement कि आप phone को silent रखिए, aeroplane, they were still, you know, it's so casual viewing, na?
Yeah.
So it's
You've
really
also-
irritating.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.